How to share library in Plex. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can share library in Plex. So in order to share library in Plex, all you have to do is just watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in watch.plextv.com or signin.plextv.com, and that's going to take you to the home page. Now basically this is how the interface is going to look like when you're logged in, and once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side, and from here you have to go to account settings. As you click on account settings, it's going to directly take you to the account settings page where you can see multiple interfaces. So over here you need to head over to the left hand side, and from there you need to go to manage library access. So in order to share library with your friends or family, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the option that says grant library access. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you have to enter in the email address associated with their account. So basically I'm just gonna go ahead and enter in the information. After that, you have to click on the email address and click on continue. So currently I'm not connected to any of the servers, so I'm unable to proceed on. When you're connected to the server and enter in the username or the information, then click on the continue button, and they'll be receiving a notification stating that you've been accessed to view the library and all that. They can just go ahead and accept it, and they'll be able to see the library. So in this way you can share library on Plex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.